Hey guys, hope you're fantastic. Today I'm going to draw Stumble Witch from Stumble Guys. Let's start with the head shape. Going to bring a head shape up like this. Then I'm going to plan out her neck, so her neck comes down a bit, and then just lightly sketch that part in, and then her shoulders. And this is one arm. Now this is the other arm which comes behind her body. So directly underneath here is where her shoulder comes in, and it's a curved line like that for her dress, and then this comes out here. And I'm just going to bring a line across there. That'll be zigzaggy. And then she's got her leg coming out that way, and she's got another leg coming out there, so it's almost like she's kneeling. So if you want to like sort of plan out where her legs and stuff would be, that would be good. Now that's where her belt is going to be. Now it's super important to get all these proportions looking good before we add all the details. So because she's a bit tricky, this is why I'm doing these construction lines. Now, her head. She's got a big hat on, so a curved line, and then I'm just going to bring it around. Pretend that's a big oval, not a UFO, although it looks like it a little bit. And then she's got a pretty tall, pointy sort of hat like that on. It's not an egg either. But that's roughly her head. Now, because she's looking this way, this is the middle of her head, so her eyes are roughly going to be, if I put one here, like that, the other one's going to be about there, similar distance to there and to there. Now she's got a bit of hair coming down. Notice how I'm drawing light and sketchy. That's her hair there. She's got a bit of a fringe that comes across. So there's the basis of Stumble Witch. You can use a black marker, it's up to you. I'm just going to start with her eyes. 1, 2 eyes, and I've just made them a bit shorter. And then she's got these beautiful little eyelashes on there. We are going to draw her hair. Now this is her fringe, or part of her hair that comes in front of her face, and then this is her chin coming back around and then up to about here, and then we have a bit of hair coming across like this, and a bit of hair coming down in the back there, and then another bit coming out here. You can put a couple of little bumps in there like that. We're going to do her neck, a couple of little necklines, 1, 2, and then this is part of her shirt comes around. This one sort of comes around like this and then hits into a V directly underneath that line. This will be a line here for her top. Now we're going to bring her shoulder around. Now it looks like she's got a little bit of a shirt on like this, so I'm going to bring that around there too. So these are almost like shoulder pads, and it comes in a bit. 1, 2, and then she has another like a cuff on her top, on her robe maybe, witch's robe. Now she's got a hand coming around, then into the thumb and back around like that. And this line, because she is looking that way, this line comes down like that, and her cuff comes pretty much like this, and it's slightly smaller than the other side because it's further away from us. And then straight up there like that. Now we're going to come around for her hand, and now this is her dress, so it comes out there and then down on this side. Now we have a bit of a zigzag, little bit of a bumpy area like this. There you go, that's the bottom. Now we're going to draw her buckle on her belt, little rounded sort of shape like that. Inside an oval shape around there like that, and another little oval shape coming around like this, and that's her buckle. Then we've got to draw the belt on. 1, 2 lines. And then they come back the other way as well. 1, 2. Now I didn't draw it all the way because what we're going to do is we're going to have a little bit of a part here where you can sort of see through into the background. So I've brought that in. Now I'm going to draw her leg. So one leg, like so. Now other leg's shorter, like that. But now she's got stripes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lines there, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 lines there. Now this shoe you can sort of see a little bit more of. So that little heel comes up, comes down, and then it's a bit more pointy than most of the other Stumble Guys shoes. And if we want to, we can just draw the sole of that on. And this one we see pretty much straight on, so we're just going to draw it like this. A bit more of a point in there, and that's her shoe looking straight at it. Now her dress, or her robe, which is cloak, robe, whatever you want to call it, comes back in behind there. Now we've just got to finish off her hat. So bringing this out and making it a bit pointier, and then this brim comes up and over like so, and back around. Now remember, you can move your page if you need to. I'm just keeping mine in the same position so you guys can see it and follow along. Hope you're having fun. Whoops, I forgot to draw her fringe there. Let's draw her fringe. That's her fringe, and now we've just got to finish off her hat. Now you can see that because this is the hair here, I need to make sure her hat comes out the same part. And she's got like a green part there, and the same with this side. And then it's a tall shape on top, like so. I'm just going to go ahead and outline Stumblewitch with a 0.1, a 1 mil outliner, and I'm just going to speed that up.